Hi guys, today I'm back with another quick UV resin craft. I'm still going through that bag of blank charms that I got from AliExpress. They've just been such good value. So I've pulled out two charms, exactly the same, little whales. So I'm going to add some glitter to some UV resin, and I've just added a blue ultrafine glitter. So I have stuck these charms down on some UV tape, and all I'm going to do is try and not make a huge mess like I usually do, but try and carefully fill up the middle part. Ooh. See about making a mess. Okay. Right. I'm just going to put these under the UV lamp now for probably 1 minute each side, maybe 2, and I'll be back. Okay, they have had 1 minute each side. They should just peel off like that. Wow, that is really, really pretty. And there we have the other one. So nice. So let me grab some hooks and I'll be back with the finished product. Well, there you have it, guys, the finished product. And haven't they turned out super nice? Such a quick and easy craft with these charms. So give it a go. And catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.